But first tonight, a new visual for when and who can expect a coronavirus vaccine in Kansas is being released. Thanks for joining us here tonight. I'm Brooke Lennington.
And I'm Molly Pat. KSNT News Capitol Bureau reporter Rebecca Chung joins us live to explain the new details of how the rollout will work. Rebecca?
So far, we know the state will be distributing the vaccine in phases, but there's been questions about who falls in what phase and when they'll happen. So state health officials laid out a new visual aid to provide some clarity of what it will look like. And let's take a look at that chart here. It outlines when people can expect to receive the vaccine. The green bars show when the vaccine will be available to certain groups in the state's distribution plan. High-risk healthcare workers and people living and working in long-term care facilities are getting shots first and expected to get vaccinated sometime in winter. It's noted there's a very limited supply in this first category, but then the chart shows increased availability of shots in the spring where it gets to all other adults. Then in the summer, the state is expecting these shots to be generally available and are including children in that group.
We are working with the Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices, who not only are they evaluating safety, but they're also doing a risk-based analysis of who and where upon this list of how soon or how much later can they be prioritized.
Right now, coronavirus vaccine recommendations for children and pregnant women have not been made and are expected to be released later on. And the state is expecting 23,000 vaccines from Pfizer this week and is expecting to receive more vaccines in the coming weeks as well. Live at the Capitol, I'm Rebecca Chung.
All right, Rebecca, thank you for breaking that down.